Okay, so I just got back from Walmart. I had to go pick up a few things, but look what I found. I found me some oxtails, and they were on sale for $19.91. Now, they got a little fat on them. Matter of fact, they got a lot of fat on them, but we're gonna trim that off, and we're gonna get this pot ready. Okay, happy Sunday. Okay, first, I'm gonna wash these off. Alrighty, let's see just how much fat we got to take off of these suckers. Oh gosh. Oh jeez. Yeah, this is a lot. I don't like all that fat. We gotta get all that off of there. That ain't gonna work in my pot. No. No wonder they was on sale. These suckers full of fat, but I'm gonna make them do what they do. Honey. That got to go. Some people like the fat. I don't. I know with oxtails, you're gonna have a certain amount of fat. You ain't gonna be able to get away with that. But just an excessive amount of fat, no. I can't eat that. So, this got to go. Yeah. Try not to cut none of the meat off, of course. Yeah. Yeah, that's a little too close. But it got to go. Let me come closer. Y'all see that? This fat got to go. We ain't doing that. So, just about done with this one. And honestly, yeah, this about as good as it's gonna get without gutting it. One down. I should have got my bigger cutting board. What was I thinking? Ugh. It's got to go. Can't do this fat meat. It's too much. Walmart, y'all wrong for this. Give me all this darn fat on this meat. But that's what you get. You get what you pay for, because y'all know oxtails is high. Oxtails are expensive. So the fact that I got these little 3 for $20, I ain't about to complain. It's coming together. I'm getting it, y'all. Look, I should have sharpened my knife a little bit. This sucker here. Is it me? Or is it a little dull? I don't know. Uh-oh. Got to gut into the meat, y'all. That's my daughter back there. That's about as good as it's going to get without gutting it.
You're filming.
I am. Why, you ain't got no clothes on? No. Okay, let me. 1 minute. Okay, so I done trimmed the fat off my oxtails. Let me show y'all what I got here. So that's $20 on sale. But we gonna make it work. Alright. Time to season my little 3 little oxtails. I found some oxtails on sale at Walmart, and once I peeled all the fat off, child, it is probably a good little 3 in here. But I'm gonna make it work. Oh, we got some seasoned salt. I got me some onion powder. I could have really got me a little old pot for this. Got me a little seasoning. What is this? What's the name of this stuff? Complete seasoning, which I love. Got me some caramelized onions. Now, my son used this for his burgers. But I like to put a little bit in my beef when he ain't looking. Got me a little Tony's. Got to have me a little Tony's. Got me some garlic powder. I don't need none of that. Got me some thyme. Because when you cook an oxtails, you got to have your thyme. Or some people call it thyme. I got the thyme. Here you go. It's bomb. It just, I don't know. It's something about that. Then I got me some black pepper. What's up? Matter of fact, I am going, huh?
The key to the van.
I am going to use a little bit of this. Probably in my purse. But the door is open.
Oh, okay.
1 minute, y'all. Alrighty, and I'm also going to put me a little ginger in here. You got to flavor these bad boys up. You can't be half-stepping with the oxtails. I got me a little tomato paste I'm going to put in here. Not too much. That was enough. Just a little bit. Okay. And got me some whoop your sister sauce. Gonna sprinkle that sucker on there a little bit. Like I say, not too much. You ain't got to overdo it, but you got to do it. You know what I'm saying? You got to do it when it comes to oxtails. And I got me some beef broth. But you know what? I'm going to cut up my onion. Then I'm going to add my beef broth. Okay? Put me some onion in here. I'm going to do one big. Got to have me some onion. Uh-oh. They moving, going everywhere. Lord have mercy. They ain't got to be perfect. Now, I need a spoon.
Moving it, the door slammed on my phone.
What?
Yeah.
Got to be more careful. Got me a little garlic. And I know somebody gonna be like, why you ain't braise them first? Because I ain't want to. You should have braised them. I didn't want to. So I didn't. Because I got other stuff I need to cook. Add me a little beef broth. Because oxtails pretty much make their own water. You don't need that much water with oxtails. But yeah. Uh-oh. And of course, just a little sugar. I know I gotta have a little sugar. Okay, so we're gonna let that boil. Let me show you what that look like. So this is what we working with for now. Okay. And I'm gonna put them on the stove and let it work. Okay. Here we go. My greens still cooking. My hamburger steak is already done and I'm making my potatoes now. But we're gonna get ready to try this oxtail. And it's really hot because it just finished. That Worcestershire sauce, I can taste it so good. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's good. Oh my goodness, that is so good. Let me get a little bit of gravy on it. Oh, that's good. Oh my gosh, like nothing I put in here overpowered the pot. Oh, happy day. Oh, happy day. When Jesus washed. Oh, when he washed. Woo. When Jesus washed. He washed my sins away. That's all I can think of. Oh, happy day. Woo, y'all. That's good. Oh, oxtails on deck. Yeah. Those are good. It's something about when you cook a little bit of something, it's always real good. And these were good. Y'all get y'all some oxtails. And try Walmart, because they probably still on sale. Wherever you at. Because they on sale where I'm at. Even though the sale wasn't a sale, but at least you got a little bit off. But y'all, I'm finna tear this up. See y'all later. When Jesus washed, oh, when he washed my sins away. Oh, happy day.